Hello family, welcome to biology tutorial #GoBio. Today we are talking about the important biology set on human physiology, human reproduction and reproductive health, which is based on NEET, AIMS and BSc nursing. For you, the answer key of this set is at last part of the video. So keep watching until the end and please give your attendance through your press like button.
Look at the entrance pattern question. The question number 1.
Question number 1. Destruction of anterior horn cells. The spinal cord would be result in loss of AIPMT 2015 followers question. Option A sensory impulse, option B voluntary motor impulse, option C commercial impulse, option D integrating impulse. In your hand only 30 seconds. Put your answer key in OMR sheet and check the answer. Be ready to watch answer. Look at the answer. Anterior horn cells are the ventral front gray matter section of the spinal cord which contains motor neurons that affect the skeletal muscle. It is also known as anterior gray column. Ventral horn. The anterior gray column is the column where the cell bodies of alpha motor neurons are located. The destruction of the anterior horn cells of the spinal cord would be result in loss of voluntary motor impulses because it is mainly related to motor impulse. So the correct answer is option B voluntary motor impulse. Then look at the question number 2. Photosensitive compound in human eye is made up of. NEET 2016 followers question. Option A opsin and retinal, option B opsin and retinol, option C transducin and retinin. It's a silly mistake. Look at the option C again. Option D guanosine and retinol. 30 seconds in your hand. Look at the question again and put your answer in OMR sheet. Watch properly and put your answer in OMR sheet. Now it's time to watch answer. Answer: there is a photosensitive compound in the human eye which helps in vision of the eye and is called rhodopsin, which is also known as vision purple, which has a large protein called opsin and retinal. So the correct option is option A opsin and retinal. Next question number 3. resting potential of nerve. Option A plus 170 millivolt, option B plus 30 millivolt, option C minus 30 millivolt, option D minus 70 millivolt. In your hand, only 30 seconds. Look at the question again and put your answer in OMR sheet. Now it's time to watch answer. The answer is the resting membrane potential of a neuron is about minus 70 millivolt. This means that the inside of the neuron is minus 70 millivolt less than the outside. At the rest, there are relatively more sodium ion outside the neuron and more potassium ion inside that neuron. So the correct answer is option D, minus 70 millivolt. Question number 4. Gigantism and acromegaly are due to PMT 2009 followers question: hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, hypopituitarism and hyperpituitarism. Again say, in your hand, only 30 seconds. Look at the question again. And watch properly the question and put your answer in OMR sheet. Look at the answer now. A disorder in adults in which the pituitary gland produces too much growth hormone. Acromegaly is usually caused by non-cancerous tumor. Middle-aged adults are most commonly affected. So the correct answer is option D, hyperpituitarism. Next. Look at the question number 5. Which of the following is not second messenger in hormone action? WBJE 2011 forwards question. Option A calcium, option B sodium, option C CAMP, option D GMP. 30 seconds in your hand. Watch the question properly. And put your answer in OMR sheet and look at the answer. Second messengers are the low molecular weight molecule that serves to transmit and amplify the signal of hormones. They can be hydrophilic or gaseous molecules. Calcium serves as the secondary messenger for group 2C hormone and CAMP serves as the secondary messengers for group A hormones, while the CGMP serves as the secondary messenger for group 2B hormones. Sodium does not serve as the secondary messenger for any hormones. So the correct answer is option B, sodium. Next, look at the question number 6. If pregnant female delivers a baby who suffer from stunted growth or mental retardation, low intelligence quotient and abnormal skin. The result of option A, low secretion of growth hormone, cancer of thyroid gland, over secretion pars distalis, and option D, deficiency of iodine in diet. It's a NEET 2013 followers question. In your hand, only 30 seconds. Look at the question again and put your answer in OMR sheet. Watch the question properly. Now look at the answer key. This leads to pregnancy related issue. Thus, a pregnant female who gives birth to a baby who has growth issue, mental retardation, low intelligence quotient and abnormal skin suffers iodine deficiency. So, the correct answer is option D, deficiency of iodine in diet. Look at the question number 7. Which is pace setter of the human heart? PMT 2015 followers question. Option A, SA node, cyanoatrial node. Option B, AV node, atrioventricular node. Option C, Purkinje's fibers. Option D, bundle of His. In your hand, only 30 seconds. Look at the question again and put your answer in OMR sheet. Watch the question properly and go forward for your answer and look at the answer key. AV, atrioventricular node, is a mass of modified heart muscle situated in the lower middle part of the right atrium. It receives the impulse of contract from the SA node, cyanoatrial node, via the atria and transmits it through the atrioventricular bundles to the ventricles. AV node is called the pace setter. So, the correct option is B, AV node, atrioventricular node. Look at the question number 8. The diagram given here is standard ECG of a normal person. The P wave responsible for NEET 2013 followers question. Initiation of the ventricular contraction. Option B, beginning of the systole. Option C, end of the systole, and option D, contraction of the both arteria. In your hand, only 30 seconds. Look at the question again and watch properly the diagram. It's a ECG, electrocardiogram, and look at the answer. ECG is a graphical representation of the electrical activity of the heart during a cardiac cycle. Each peak in the ECG is identified with a letter from P to T that corresponds to a specific electrical activity of the heart. So, the P wave represents the electrical excitation or depolarization of the arteria, which leads to the concentration of both the arteria. So, the correct answer is option D. Now, look at the question number 9. What is the popular name of IVF? It's a PMT followers question. Option A, amniocentesis. Option B, tubectomy. Option C, test tube baby. Option D, GIFT. 30 seconds in your hand. Do it fast. Look at the question again and watch properly the question and put your answer in OMR sheet and look at the answer key of this question. Test tube baby, the method of in vitro fertilization, mainly male and female gametes outside the body in almost similar condition as that in the body, followed by zygote or embryo transfer. Next, look at the question number 10. Clitoris in a female mammals is, it's a NCERT based question. Option A, homologous to penis. Option B, analogous to penis. Option C, functional penis in females. Option D, non-functional penis in male. In your hand, only 30 seconds. Look at the question again and watch the option properly and watch the option properly. And now look at the answer key of this question. Clitoris is a vaginal erectile structure homologous to the corpora cavernosa of the penis. So the correct answer is option A. Submit your scorecard please in your groups, only #BookBio. Again say, submit your scorecard please in your groups, only #BookBio, and mention the set how is it.